Hey, Pinball here. Attempt number 5,637 of this really, well, I think it's really hard. 88, Avis 8850. This evil little thing I got off Alabama. Thank you. I am actually appreciative. Just got sore fingers. 0 cut on position 1. And got that thing. I see it. Oh, pardon me. So I could go into the bottom butterfly on that position. Originally I had that on disc 7. Thanks Ed for helping out, and I do like the suggestion about maybe when I turn it like that, the bottom butterfly may not be in the right position. I wonder if it gets turned when I do the bottom disc. At any rate, so 1, 0 turn. Click. Click. Sort of a gap, I guess. Click. Okay, I'll stop commentating my clicks, but anyway. I'm just going for the big gap. That one there just felt decent right off the bat. Yeah, that's a nice big one. There we go. I'll come back and get these. That's actually quite a nice one right off the bat there as well. And the bottom is the butterfly. I'd just like to try, just in case. So, I reckon, I don't know about that one. There we go. Head back up and try that. Because like I said, you never know. So that is beautiful. That is beautiful. And that looks about right because they're in the same bidding, and 2 and 3 have the same bidding there. That seems about right, consistent with the key. Shouldn't be picking like that, but you know. That seems good. That one's actually pretty faint, but I'm kind of going off the fact that the key is got mellow bitting. Honestly, this feels amazing in terms of everything in gates. So I reckon yeah, I see. So the rotation of I'm getting these butterfly discs in my head now. I think I've seen a profile of them on the old internet. And something's not right there. Doesn't want to come. Shit, my hand is just really sore. Just take a breather for a second. This thing is something. I think it'd be alright if my friggin' fingers weren't so sore. Shit. Oh, I can't tell you how good that is. Mother of pearl, that was quite something. Now, the last time I pulled one of these apart, it turned out to be a Protec, and it was a bloody mess. So, if I've seen things on... Oh, look at that. It's all self-contained, that's beautiful. Oh, my fingers are so buggered, they're shaking. I was actually getting cramp. Alrighto, so butterfly. spacer and first disc. Oh Lee, my flippin' fingers are so munted from tensioning. This is ridiculous. Ugh. Oh jeez. Okay, I think I'm up to about 7 hours. I've been trying to get this thing open for, and it wasn't an accident. I actually got a pretty good feel for this thing now. Personally, I feel like that was a bit of an achievement. Butterfly. So, whoa, that's new. Okay, I'll figure that out later. So these all are the same by the looks. Butterfly, butterfly, thingy and hoodaki, cover plate and spring tensioner, sidebar, and then in my hand here is the housing, which looks pretty straightforward. That's awesome. Stoked. Thanks for watching.